Hey, I'm Chef Aaron Fish, and this is Fish Food, where we make tasty, approachable snacks. And today we're making Traeger hot honey pizza twists, and I'm gonna show you how to make a really quick, really ranch dip. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is make our sweet chili sauce for our twists in our made-in pot. I've got some seasoned rice wine vinegar, sugar, lime, and of course the hot honey blend. All right, so we got all our ingredients in here. I'm gonna throw it on the heat and reduce it until it's nice and syrupy. All right, now we're gonna make our really quick, really ranch. So I've got my really ranch seasoning, some tabasco, some Worcestershire, some buttermilk, sour cream, and mayo. All right, so I'm gonna make our twists. I've got my dough, and I just made a pizza dough here. You can get a basic recipe online, or maybe some grocery stores sell it. You can go pick up some pizza dough. It's pretty easy. Now, my trick is I like to just kind of throw it in a bowl of flour. This is all-purpose flour. Give it a couple tosses, a little bit of a shake, and then we're gonna roll it out. This is not a hand-stretched method. Oh, so you see my rolling pin was sticking a little bit. You can kind of dust your rolling pin, it'll help out. Okay, so kind of made it into somewhat of a square shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I've got our hot honey kind of sweet chili sauce. We're gonna brush this on. Now you can go as little or as much as you like, depending on how spicy you like it. And it's kind of like making a pizza, but we're gonna end up folding it over and cutting it. You'll see. Now I've got some fontina cheese here. I like fontina. You could use mozzarella if you'd like. Okay, not too much, not too little. And then you're just gonna fold it over like this. Okay, I'm gonna grab my knife. And we're gonna cut it. Now I like to cut in rules of half, and this makes it easy because then you don't have to worry too much. Now I've got two sections to work with, and I can cut these into thirds. And everything's gonna be about the same size. See? All right. So next step is we're gonna kind of pull it and twist. And give it a couple twists. Some of them won't be like perfect looking. Some of them will. Depends on if it's an end piece. And now we're gonna brush them with a little bit of the really ranch. And don't worry, we're gonna save some for dipping. All right, got my pellet grill rolling at high heat, which runs about 425 to 450. It's okay with a little bit of the fluctuation. Throw these in there, and we're gonna check them in about 10 minutes. All right, so our twists are done. They took about 10 minutes. You're looking for just, cooked all the way through. They do get sometimes a little black on the bottom. That's okay, it's just a little bit of the sugar caramelizing. I think I kind of like it. So we'll just kind of stack these on here. All right, it's time to snack. So we're gonna take this guy, a little bit of ranch. I like a lot of ranch, so I'm gonna go maybe a little extra. That creaminess from the cheese, the sweet hot from this, hot honey. Oh man, it's delicious. Infused with the pizza dough, the ranch. It's like eating breadsticks at your favorite pizza place, but better. And that is delicious fish food.